For these easy blackberry pastries, you will need 50 grams of blackberries, 1 to 2 tablespoons of caster sugar, and you will need to heat the two together until the berries start to break down. Once you have a sauce, put it to one side to cool and cut up your sheet of puff pastry into 2-inch squares. Place onto a baking sheet and put 1 teaspoon of the blackberry filling into each square. You can pinch the sides of the pastry just to prevent the filling from falling out, and bake for 5 to 10 minutes or until golden brown. Top with cream or creme fraiche and enjoy!